Well, for my coins I bought this fireproof safe. It is a very massive piece of steel. Weighs about, I don't know exactly, but maybe more than 250 pounds, around 100 or 150 kilos. It has two departments. Let's see, this one down there and the upper one. The upper one has two locks and it's fireproofed. Let me open it and show you. Sorry for the quality of the video, but the light is poor here. So this key has two positions, one and then press, and another one. The door is very thick with 3 spikes and 2 more in the back, and it has another additional locker here. And the lower part, one large space for, I think that I'll keep some documents here and maybe coins, who knows, but it's very large. This door is thinner than the other, but still very massive piece of steel. 5 millimeters thick. That's it. So I hope that all my coins will be safer here. Thank you for watching.